What's up, everybody? This is attorney Dan Nguyen here, and I wanted to give you an update of a case that came out earlier this week. The Supreme Court said that immoral and scandalous trademarks can be registered with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. So previously, you cannot get immoral or scandalous names. And there was a case a couple years ago called the Slants. There's a band called the Slants. It was an Asian band, and they tried to get their band name as a registered trademark. And there was a case on it, and the court ruled in favor of the band. And now this case, the clothing brand was spelled Fuct. And you can probably determine how you say that and how phonetically is close to another particular immoral or scandalous name. But now the Supreme Court says that, hey, you can't basically block that. That violates the First Amendment free speech rights. And so now you can use immoral or scandalous names. And so for all you persons that want to capture or use those types of words, branding, slogans, this is your chance to do it until Congress makes a rule that you can't. It's kind of wide open right now. And so we'll see how this turns out for a lot of marketers and business owners of those types of businesses. But for now, the Supreme Court has ruled that you can use basically cuss words or phonetic equivalents, otherwise immoral or scandalous words, to as a registered trademark. And so that's something big that happened this week. I mentioned the slants in my book, Making Your Mark. But now I guess I got updated with this case, and we'll see how it turns out, practically speaking. But this is kind of a somewhat a big case for this particular clothing line. They finally got it, and if you're in this type of business with those marks, you can go for it right now. Okay, so this is Dan Nguyen sharing a little bit about trademarks, scandalous and more immoral marks. Previously cannot have been registered, but now you can, because not allowing it would violate the First Amendment. All right, talk to you soon.